Okay, we are here at 9502 205th Street Court East in Graham, and we are in a relatively newer neighborhood. I would say most of the homes in here are easily less than 10 years old. Beautiful street, white picket fence, lots of landscaping, a lot of good looking homes. All right, and from here we are going to go inside, take a look around, and show you what we have going on. All right, now we're coming into the main entryway. You can see we have a nice two-story entry, nicely finished. We have some nice white molding. Come further into the house is the living room, just past the staircase. We'll go upstairs in a little bit. Fireplace, lots of light in here, lots of space, a very nice 9-foot ceiling, open design, all very modern. Kitchen eating area right here. Very beautifully upgraded kitchen here. Nice corner sink, I love those, with the windows looking over into the backyard. And then of course we do also have a formal dining room. Nice size. Plenty of room for a large table. Extra furniture, not a problem. Downstairs, we do have a little mud room right here. Utility room's actually upstairs, but downstairs we have a mud room here right between the garage and the main part of the house, and then we have a little bathroom tucked in behind here. Go ahead from here and we are going to head on upstairs and continue the tour. All right, and we are continuing the tour at the top level of the home now. We have a hallway with a little area overlooking downstairs. Directly to our right is the master bedroom suite. Spacious, coffered ceilings, lots of room. Little areas all around, and an offshoot here with a his and her closets on each side as we enter down into the gigantic master bathroom. Garden tub, shower, and of course commode over on this side. Just very expansive. We're going to go ahead and go look around the other area. We can take a look at some additional bedrooms. First of which right here. It's kind of a neat cathedral ceiling finish in here. It's very spacious. Could double as a TV room instead of a bedroom if you didn't need all 4 bedrooms here. Additional bedroom, walk-in closet. Lots of space, lots of room. In between these 2 bedrooms, we have a bathroom. This is a full bathroom with shower and tub. And the final bedroom is right here. I think to me, it looks like it's about exactly the same size, although we have a lot more windows over on this side, wrapping around the corner of the house. And then last for the upstairs is the laundry room. Spacious, lots of amenities like sink and storage galore. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look in the backyard and wrap up the tour there. All right, and now we can wrap things up here on this house with a little tour of the backyard. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have covered patio here with a nice big extendable awning. Lot of side yard area here. The playset does go with the current owner. I just wanted to make sure you got a chance to see how large the backyard is and the beautiful amenities. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other home here on the site, please feel free to reach out to me using the contact information you see on the screen, and I'd be more than happy to set up a personal tour with you of this property. Until then, happy house hunting.